am playing Minecraft. I got diamonds and armor. I got obsidian and a gold. I'm gonna take some wood from the village. I mean the abandoned village. And I'm gonna craft a crafting table. And then I'm gonna craft. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna take some wood first. Ah, that's a zombie. Tima. Hindi, kainay niya. I will play Roblox. And stick. And then like this and like this. I made a. Oh no! Something is attacking me. I'm gonna kill them. A zombie, no. There's gonna be no one to shoot me. By the way, this loot I got this from these two buildings. Din, ko lang audio ko din. Inanin ako. Then makahilsin ako. Sorry guys. I'm gonna kill this week. For me. I'm gonna make a pickaxe. And I'm gonna make a pickaxe. Where is my crafting table? Oh yeah, here it is.
Hindi naman po kami tutuloy. Talaga kasi yung ano yung nasabi kay Ate Ana niya.
I get some boots in the village.
At doon ay kinuha nito.
Bye guys, thanks for the video for today.